I'm at Los Cristianos bus station and I'm going to show you how to get to Paradise Park Hotel from here. So just walk up here and to the right, and essentially it's just a straight road. It's a very hot day and I've not got any sunblock on. Silly me. It's the middle of June at the time of filming. Very hot. I can't wait to go back to Scotland, and believe it or not, when I'm on holiday, seeing I go back to Scotland, I want it to be rain, just to cool down. I just love that. I'm not a fan of hot weather. I like it moderate. I like Benidorm in December. That's my level of heat, that's what I like. A lot of people say it's cold in December, but it's just perfect for me. I still walk about with shorts and t-shirt. So we're just walking along here, and it's not far to get to it. I did a previous video from the Hollywood Mirage and Beverly Hills Suites down to the bus station, but went up the other end. This way is more suitable for Paradise Park. You see the bus station actually goes right across along here, down and up along just a wee bit. The other side you see a lot of buses waiting to get round. Oh, it's a hot day. As I say, it's hot. It's a hot day. Scorchio. Oh. I'm going to get it wrong, but see if you walk right down that way, on the left there's a place, Montagna Shea Vita, something like that. It's a viewing platform. It's alright for a wee walk, but there's not really much there. It's just a view of, I think, a wee bit of Los Cristianos, and it's mostly Las Americas you can see. But for a wee walk, for a wee view, some nice scenic pictures. Once I've finished this, just head to the hotel and enjoy myself. Can't wait to hit that pool. It's going to be good. See, we're not far. In fact, I can actually see it there at the very end of the road. You can sort of see the rooftop bar a wee bit. If you're watching on a phone, you might not be able to see it. TV, you should. But you'll see when I get closer. Oh, I'm gasping for a drink. Nice cold beer by the pool, I think. And you can see it just behind that bus. Past the bushes, that's the Paradise Park Hotel. Show you better in a wee second. Oh. Look at this weather, look. It's beautiful. Living the dream, folks. Absolutely living the dream. Paradise Park Fun Lifestyle Hotel, and it's a 4-star. Haven't actually stayed in it, but it's on my bucket list. I did a whole series of Benidorm hotel videos and they didn't do too good, so That was quite an investment, but this time I thought I'll just do walking tours and I'll show people around and build from that. So I think I've made the right decision, and I hope it grows my channel. I hope I've enjoyed watching this as much as I've enjoyed making it. So there's the Paradise Park Hotel. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, share, and I'll leave a few links in the comment section. I've enjoyed this. I'm off to relax, so thank you very much, folks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.